Good evening, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here, and welcome to a sort of cloud-ridden Timperley. I am doing some evening gardening. Just get all this sorted out. It's the continued work of my brightening up of the pub. Just enrich this a little bit. Adding some colour to the front of the pub rig. Some of my audience there. And let me show you my magic trick.
Chin.
Ta-da! Japanese
Can I be in
maple.
it with you? Can I be in the video?
Yeah. Japanese maple here. So I've literally got an acer up my sleeve. Got these from Asda earlier, just now actually. They're
Yeah.
good value, yeah.
So I'm waiting to grow.
Not very long actually. These will shoot up like a heroin dependent if you're not full roaster plan. Let's see what else we've got in here.
Right, I'll leave you to it.
Okay, no problems. We have chives here. These are really attractive to the bees and the bugs. So, and they're good sour cream as well. So, all my stuff. So. Okay, let's see what we're going to put in the centre here. Let's see. Boom. Yeah. I got a time there, haven't I? Sign of the time. And this one's starting to flower as well, which is a good bonus. This is just a common time day here, but certainly useful for. And it smells fantastic. Something else in there. Yeah, I'll just put another acer in. I know you're supposed to add an odd number of plants, but there's just no room. This one's practically Houdiniing out of its pot as well, so. Pub's filling up as well, so. Even better. quite stormy tonight, which will be good for these. Hey, Nick. I'm putting herbs in front of the pub, so hopefully when people walk by, they'll immediately want a steak or a curry or something. And I've got a couple of aces up my sleeve. Pardon? We can cut some seeds.
Do you work here?
And drink. Yeah.
And drink, yeah. What's your name? I'll leave it above you.
James Braithwaite.
Okay, I'll leave it above you.
Yep.
Give me a couple of days.
Oh, right, that's
We'll
lovely.
just spare,
Thanks.
like, spare
Good.
plant
Perfect
seed
for a
packet.
wildflower meadow
You
and
can
all
just
that.
chuck
Yeah.
them in. Yeah, you can just chuck
Yeah,
them in.
perfect.
Come on.
Thank you.
Okay, no worries.
Cheers.
Good luck.
Nice
Okay.
Westie, I used to have one.
Oh, did you?
Yep.
Yeah, they're lovely, aren't they?
Yeah, lovely.
Super friendly. Come on,
Yep.
we've got to go home and have dinner. Come on, let's go quickly. I'm going to get your steak. Come on. Oh, biscuit, we've got to go. Come on.
Fantastic. Looks like I'm getting more appreciation than I thought. Right, okay. Move on to this one now. Hopefully this will stop people leaving dimps in here as well. I can only half do this one because I don't have enough plants just yet, but at least you'll see a bit clearer what I'm doing. I'll do a shorter video so I can upload this to my Instagram and you'll see a bit more of progress, shall we say. Okay, right, that's all the enriching part in. Okay, and on tend here we shall add a third and final acer. In she goes. And last for now, and certainly not least, would be good for casseroles and whatnot, a sage. These have recently been watered actually, so they're quite soft, and just plop that in. Give a good firm down like so. Let's just do the bark chicken. Just get a little bit around here. So.
Or give him a chance to just like try every night. Nah, he's been chilling. He's not.
There, that should enrich it even more and make it a little nicer to look at. Okay, let me show you the progress so far. There's one more. Acer, thyme, chives, acer, acer, sage. Lovely. Right, I'm going to grab a watering can and put these tools away, and I will see you in the next one. Hello, for now.